In the United States, we generate over 11 billion tons of solid waste per year. Solid waste is considered to be anything that is made, manufactured, or grows that is not usable anymore and must be disposed of. Most solid waste is transported to permitted public landfills where it stays forever. Currently, most of the legal landfills are full, and future locations for new landfills are not available, not wanted by the public, or too far to transport the waste to. With vast amounts of waste being generated annually, only a very small portion of these materials are being landfilled. This means that millions of tons of illegally dumped waste are put into every corner of this country every day, and it is difficult to know exactly where and how much. This problem must be addressed, and due to the variety of different materials being put into our neighborhoods and public lands, this will be difficult to do. The other most important consideration is the potential for recycling these materials instead of putting these vast amounts of materials into landfills or illegally dumping them into the environment. It is estimated that almost 95% of all waste generated by us can be recycled to make hundreds of new products or using new technologies burned to generate much-needed clean and environmentally safe electrical power. The change to massive recycling of all solid waste will remove the stress on our landfills and end solid waste pollution to our environment. Recycling is the only way to manage the vast amounts of solid waste being generated by us. And to effectively and efficiently accomplish this goal of large-scale recycling, a comprehensive training program must be developed. This training must include how to segregate and transport, along with all of the safety considerations of handling the many different types of waste materials. This training should also include the knowledge of how and where to recycle all of the different types of waste materials. Our company is developing this training for use on the internet and in computer classrooms all over the country. Our hope is to generate greater interest in recycling and train individuals in how to work in this new and growing field. Qualified persons will be needed to make recycling all of the materials viable and the norm. Proper training will ensure the growth of this unlimited market. We will target returning veterans and the hardcore unemployed to receive this training, and then assist them in finding companies that will need this level of expertise to hire our trainees. This training program has the potential to create good-paying jobs, dramatically increase recycling, and fundamentally change the way we handle solid waste. We need your help. We are submitting a grant proposal to the United States Department of Labor. They have expressed a great deal of interest in this type of training. However, they want to see some public and outside financial support from the community. Your support for this project would not only help to get the Department of Labor to give us the grant, but also create the first student workbook. So thank you for previewing our project. We would greatly appreciate your support. This project has the potential to do more for cleaning up the environment than any other in history.